Welcome back to LiveBinders. Today I'm going to show you a Pro Plan subscription feature that allows you to rename a file that you've already uploaded into LiveBinders. To do that, you want to click on the Uploaded Files button that appears at the top of your LiveBinders page when you log in. On the Uploaded File Manage page, scroll down to view all the files you've uploaded to your binders that are stored here and appearing in chronological order. So let's pick a file. Let's say I have a new Memories version 24 that I want to upload, but in order to keep track of the new file name with the one on my desktop, I need to change the name of the earlier version in my LiveBinders account. Then when I upload the new file version 24, it automatically uploads and updates all the binders that file is in. Now, making sure I've selected the right file, I go over and click on Rename. And a pop-up box gives me the option to edit. I change version 24 to 23 and click on Save. Looking back at my file, the name has changed. Once I rename the previously uploaded file, I can now upload the new file with the correct version name, and it's updated across many binders. Renaming a file saves time and maintains continuity between my desktop and LiveBinders.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.